Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish. You will see modern, stylish, 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. Latest and stylish you will see in this videos 40 plus unique modern girls nail art, nail polish and unique girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. You will see stylish unique nail art with fingernail designs. I have uploaded summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very attractive 40 plus unique different girls nail cutting designs. Dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique, stylish girls nail art ideas. I have uploaded summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, summer seasons nail art, negative space nail art. So lovely viewers, today you will see in this videos 40 plus unique, modern, unique nail art ideas. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new modern attractive girls nail cutting designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. For pleasant attractive, you will see modern, stylish, 40 plus unique girls nail cutting designs. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new modern, stylish, different girls nail cutting designs. Lovely viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new modern,